let's talk about the gray go-away bird. This lad up here is the gray go-away bird. It is a type of bird that is native to a bunch of different areas in the southern end of Africa, including Angola, South Africa, Tanzania, and a bunch of others. Now, there's actually a couple different species of go-away birds, and they're all named after their very distinct go-away call. Now, there's quite low sexual dimorphism between the males and the females. They're very similar, kind of a mostly uniform gray with a described as being very wispy crest. They can be found in a variety of different habitats, from open savannas to kind of forested areas, and they are capable of flight. However, it's described as being kind of slow, and while they can cover long distances, they do not go very fast, and they're not the most agile when flying. They're typically quite the social bird, living together in groups of up to 30 or so individuals. They spend most of their time in these large groups foraging for food, which includes things like snails and termites, as well as a large number of different types of fruits and berries, including things like figs and the fruit of the highly poisonous Cape lilac, which is very, very dangerous to us humans, but harmless to these birds. Now, unfortunately, the Cape lilac is invasive in these areas, and the birds eating those seeds helps actually spread it around. They also are pretty closely associated with water. While they're not water birds, they do require both an abundance of water present as well as an abundance of fruit or seed trees. And they often, in these large groups, gather and dust bathe together, which is just really cute.